We guide you through how to unlink Instagram from Facebook in just a few quick steps using your phone or computer. First thing you need to do is to open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Then tap the three lines in the top right. Then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Account Center, which is where Instagram and Facebook are connected. Now, tap Accounts, then select the Facebook account you want to unlink. Choose Remove Account and confirm it. And then tap Continue to fully disconnect Instagram from Facebook. After this, your post will no longer cross post, your accounts won't share login info, and both platforms will be completely unlinked.